No ya gbe motor in a who ya you to no gbe you are before they will come, they avoid you. This is how they are because they know they think. Now, so this girl be when they do something. When that one where they reason, where they say no, this thing is not good like that. You not go like that one, you go say they pretend. Always pretend, always uji. You are pretending. Ogin yena ni yena wa fake bowana. Ogin yena ni yena viemi ya dia de soina. Ogin yena ri. This you way be say no nak beto e li baye te ne hiare yoke ya wuni. Oga ben agmondo agun ye ja de form you way na that one na iri. This one way be say I karata de silevi ya no ruo wala de agbe agbo mo agbe agbiji agbe no ridin agbe no ragmo agbe bibie ka agbe mo ni ruo wa na that one na ibiri karata. For where people like this woman they you go say I read you be using that one to psychologically brainwash people as I say it's a tool of brainwash. It's a very manipulative tool for somebody to tell you that I'm real. I not sabi pretend. Then they will want to expose your weakness to the world. Then they want you to behave like them. They want you to do like them. They want you to be shaming yourself every time like them. Because they want to portray a picture to say, I am real. No, I always say it. Don't come the way they want you to come. Go and sit down very well. Read them. Kaboy a read them. Tinya le na tiebe nu lue method ni ya. Nwane method ni wa ya counterfeit ya. Ere ya gbe yan din ni gbe ma bere o. Method. No be the way they want me you take do one. Abwakabo ala their own style. Awa. Awa. So, my darling people, just imagine when people go, they say, that woman, what did they consider that woman do? The time wait, like I'm still trying to understand what. At the beginning, they say, I saw the woman on the support. Yeah, now we give your support. We are married you. You see, go the marriage. They say, I saw you not laugh. We get my lad, you know, marriage, me me de no da fun wa nga marry. Odo no wa mi go imo 3 months ago ni ma wo igbaro tele ni biena. Ya si de marry. I wa se ba I ga gie. Eh marriage na. Ase na mo si bana o. I never see that kind of thing. If you still laugh that kind laugh that day, I ma ya have way yi. Have me egbe no na bag mo. O no dion wa dey we marriage na yin mai ose na ga se na ro. I think we still get as it before our you see the one that say we now a one marriage. You don't do that one, na si problem. Now only this one way they saying get what you want to put on for depression. So now only she for that marriage, the day when she married, you gotta worship who name we marriage. There's a place I saw the video. She was worshiping that woman, practically worshiping her. You gotta worship no ni ki Tony yena lawa and that pay break price no gba cause I been at their marriage right here gba. You understand? So therefore she was trying to create an image. Even for inside that marriage they do like all this agbe way they upeko. There na me video ni me I see whether I put on for my WhatsApp. And they put some kind of stuff for my WhatsApp like that. Oga be if you agbe uno upeko. Una no see am. They do ball of from where they say yeah baba mi baba ke baba rere Baba rere. That not say na say they do. On am yam yang with marriage. If forget say na in they do marriage, can't they do the woman? Baba rere, baba ke, baba akpeti. I saw it. It's not be the one where they tell me inside this my eye. Now I have to use my eye this year. Moto problem be. Now me use my eye this year. My darling people, she was telling the woman to say, Baba Rere, you just they do like this. Even that day, she don't look like person where they do marriage. If you look at Orion Masoto, in yega more partition, she was trying to say Orion Masoto because this is, I tell you people, there are people you don't go. They know they go close to some people. Anybody that you know is a lousy person already. You know, say you get class wrong. Who wouldn't say, my darling, get permanent to woo. Get permanent to woo. Oh, man, not lousy. that is the way they do their things. You will never understand them because education on they are very lousy people. You go tell you say I not sabi pretend. They cover nyama. They will use that one to cover nyama. Lousy people. You see the place where this woman for 4 hand for this girl. Ubege in 2019 matter where it just happened. That dog na wa roge right from that time. We know we baba keke see follow and so if for see the one. That time when they can't wear the same clothes, na kokuba change the wo work pana bege where maybe your waist sister match straight or maybe a sister gbe osi ototo nisan or a sister see aje nisan je panty or just this thing. And that's all I'm with big button. There are people you don't come down for, no matter what. Never you bring your shoulder for them. Don't bring it down, my darling. A shoulder where arriva is the best. Now true, I tell you so. A shoulder way, if you did that place where they get kick and kick beggar any other day. If I bag one hour, there are people you don't give better food to. Now, so way be, where person they bring yourself come down to lousy people. If you bring yourself down to them, when they dent you, this one, I always say it every time. Here are dent you, you will regret to say, why did I do this? Why did I go close to such a person? Yeah, woman. God has always been saving me from people like this. He go save me. Watching from distance, I will just say, I don't notice the character. I'll say never. I'll never go low. I'll never reduce my standard for this person. Never. Impossible. And better pass. You see, by the time you break the edge, the serpent will bite. You break that edge, you go close to them, go use your body to rub ground for them. Your own is finished. And the nigga go. When egg break, there is no packing it together again. Now, so with disrespect and respect before their body. The only way you get your respect when you're around them is to stay far from them. Let them see you from distance, you watch them from distance. They will hear you, they will respect you, they'll be doing you like this. Now you go pass. But by the time you say, you know me, now one will be, you see me, I know sabi raise body, I know sabi do this one. Any time, e keke ebo ikpe u. Odo ne yo wo hun igbe oho. Of your character we with you. Of if you are not careful, you will conserve no yamu when rulele wa wo ihin pa. Two of you will become the same. Finish. And that is their mission. They want to bring you down to their level. They know their level. They know where they are placing themselves. They know who they are. Oh, if they pay me, say I don't see this video. They know who they are. They know. If then they use nyama call you, use class, they reply them. If then they use nyama, they call you, say, come. No, you nyama follow them. You don't already know, say, na nyama, because two nyama can never go anywhere. You just offer space them. Now, what did they follow them? If you go inch close, you see that your class. We have seen many of them on this face. When they go use Europe ground. Or who have played the story for life, and the pain will hurt you so much. You know why? The reason why it will hurt you so much is that on a normal ground, what can we add more? That one will hurt you for the rest of your life. That's why at the beginning, as you cannot go close at all. Now it be the gods with this second wife can they use for the first wife. So now it be the opportunity. That is now that one be the correct audacity. Now I go call her audacity where they insult the first wife. They tell and say, if I speak, I go put you for depression. Because you don't hear, two of the dog gonna do something, two of the dog gonna do whatever they did together. Because for their marriage, the time when they marry, never see and finish. Or my me info. Oh, why you here? When that woman come that marriage, you don't look at her now. I don't notice. Oh my God. This one not be waiting to tell me you. I saw it for video with my eye. I was watching direct. I was live. Nobody tell me that thing. How much more say it and a video where they give you na fake. I saw it with my own 2 eyes. She was just herself, but you don't look her. She came to celebrate with her husband that is marrying. Finish. You understand? It should have remained like that. After that marriage, go your ass, I go my own. Yes, you don't marry. I couldn't know where you know you muri. Having lousy people, young you know. They can carry person for mouth. When they go carry you for mouth, you say that mouth, what they go use and do you tomorrow? If you allow that carry when they carry you for mouth enter your head. If you allow that carry to enter your head, if you are not sensitive to say this one, you just as they shut up for that side, leave